morning class. Today we will discuss about the formation method of alcohols by Grignard reagent. First of all, we need to know that what is the alcohol. Alcohol means when OH group joined by any alkyl, then it will form alcohol. Okay, and its IUPAC name is alkanol. For example, when we substitute any alkyl group as like methyl here and join with OH group. So its common name is methyl alcohol because CH3 is methyl and OH is your alcohol group. So methyl alcohol is common name, and when we talk about the IUPAC name future of this, then its IUPAC name is methanol because here are only one carbon. So one carbon is known as meth and only single bond present here, so methane, and all is the suffix of the OH group. Suppose that if we take C2H5, C2H5OH, then what is its common name? Ethyl alcohol, and its IUPAC name is ethanol. Okay. So second thing is that Grignard reagent. What is the Grignard reagent? Grignard reagent means RMGX. This is the general formula of Grignard reagent, RMGX, where R is your alkyl group and X is halogen. Halogen means chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine. Okay. Generally it represent by X and alkyl group represent by capital R. So first we see that how can we get 1 degree alcohol? When we take formaldehyde and react with RMGX, means Grignard reagent, then what happens? See here, first of all, as we know that in 11th class we read about it, that in double bond present a single bond and a pi bond. The pi bond breaks and form two single bond, means pi bond breaks, two sigma bond form. In 11th class we studied about it. Okay, so when pi bond breaks, then R comes here and MgX comes with oxygen. So what happens in next step? H, C, H, O, MgX, and here R comes R. Clear? Okay. Now when the hydrolysis of this HOH hydrolysis, then H comes here and MgX react with this, finally form MgOHX and HCHOHR. This is your 1 degree alcohol. How can you say it 1 degree? Because carbon joined with only one carbon. Okay. For example, HCHO plus, at the place of R we take methyl group CH3Mg, and at the place of X we take Br. CH3Mg we have methyl magnesium bromide. They will react with each other and it forms HCHOMg Br, and here are CH3. After the hydrolysis, it will convert into HCHOH, and here are also CH3. You see here, this is CH3 CH2OH. This is your 1 degree alcohol and its name is ethyl alcohol. Another name is, or IUPAC name is ethanol. Okay. So for formation of 1 degree alcohol, we will react Grignard reagent with formaldehyde, and when we want to form 2 degree alcohol, then what happen, or what we react? We take in acetaldehyde, CH3 C double bond O H, acetaldehyde. If it will react with methyl magnesium bromide, clear? Then it will convert into You see here CH3, CH3, OMgBr, and here comes CH3. Sorry, here comes H. After the hydrolysis, we can get CH3, C, CH3, OH and H plus MgOH beta. We can get here 2-degree alcohol. You see 2-degree alcohol. Okay. Same time, for formation of 3-degree alcohol, we can take ketone CH3, CO, CH3 plus CH3 MgBr. This is your Grignard reagent. They will react with each other and first form CH3, C, CH3, O, MgBr, CH3. After the hydrolysis, HOH, it will convert in 3-degree alcohol. C, CH3, CH3, OH, CH3. Clear? Plus MgOH, Br. You can see here. Then in this case, by the reaction of Grignard reagent with formaldehyde, we can get 1-degree alcohol. Second, when we take acetaldehyde with Grignard reagent, okay, which mediator we get by the hydrolysis of this, we can get 2-degree alcohol. And when we take ketone with Grignard reagent, then which mediator we get by the hydrolysis of this compound, we can get 3-degree alcohol. Clear?